10 Easy ways to heal your liver. 1. Chicory root tea. Chicory root has been used for centuries to cleanse the liver. Its main property is its ability to purify the blood and optimize liver function. It's a natural remedy that can be used to complement other treatments designed to dissolve gallstones or cure jaundice. In addition, it helps treat constipation and relieve headaches. Ideally, you should take it with breakfast or after a main meal. 2. Artichokes. If there's any vegetable that's perfect for liver problems, it's the artichoke. If you are suffering from fatty liver, for example, you should eat them regularly. They'll help you reduce fat cells and renew tissues, avoiding the much dreaded cirrhosis. You can eat cooked artichokes with a little olive oil or drink the water that was used to cook them, mixed with a little lemon juice. It's a fantastic remedy. 3. Dandelion and mint tea. An article published in Global Healing Center magazine states that we should view the liver as the filter in an aquarium. If there's any excess toxins in it, the entire tank will fill with contaminants and the fish will become sick. The same thing happens in our livers. We need to make sure it gets all the things it needs to keep filtering properly. One way to accomplish this is by making a tea with 5 grams of dandelion and 5 grams of mint leaves. Thanks to these herbs' properties, we can use them to break down fats in the liver, stimulate bile secretion, eliminate toxins, and improve digestion. Don't wait to try this simple treatment. 4. Say yes to beet juice. Beets are tubers with an attractive crimson color and fresh, earthy flavor. They're full of nutrients for our livers. They improve the liver's regeneration capabilities, purify and strengthen it. You can make a rich smoothie and drink it 2 to 3 times a week. Mix it with a glass of water and half an apple and your body will thank you. 5. Eat garlic on an empty stomach for your liver. A clove of garlic on an empty stomach with a glass of water will help your body get used to cleansing itself of toxins at the beginning of the day. This natural antibiotic is rich in allicin and selenium, 2 essential compounds that strengthen the liver. It's worth it to take it regularly. 6. Livers love lemons. Our livers need vitamin C every day. Our bodies cannot produce or synthesize it. It's a type of vitamin that needs to come from foods, which makes drinking lemon juice every day a smart idea. Drink it with a glass of warm water. We also recommend that you add 3 grams of baking soda at least once a week to this mixture. Thanks to its properties, you'll have an alkaline remedy that's great for your liver. 7. A cup of white tea a day. This natural drink is rich in antioxidants, even more so than green tea. Find it in health food stores and try to get the purest available, which is silvery in color. White tea is good for your liver and health in general, you'll no doubt benefit from drinking it. 8. Milk thistle, defender of your liver. Milk thistle improves digestion and stops toxins from accumulating in the liver and promotes their expulsion. It also stimulates bile production and optimizes the liver's basic functions. You can find milk thistle in health food stores and pharmacies. It's often sold in capsules or tea bags. 9. Go green with veggies. Your diet shouldn't be lacking in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale. It's also a good idea to prepare rich salads with bitter greens that are so good for your liver, like watercress, arugula, spinach. The bitter flavor is a clear sign that these foods are good for your liver, as the bitter taste means that they contain phytonutrients that help cleanse the body of toxins. They also help control cholesterol, balance hormones, metabolize fats, and purify the blood. They're fantastic. 10. Want to go for a walk? Walking every day optimizes your liver's basic functions. It oxygenates the blood, improves heart health and promotes the elimination of fats and toxins. Something as simple as sweating a little, getting your muscles moving and your heart rate up does a lot more good than you think, all the while being good for your liver. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.